Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi student, especially for third grade. How are you today? I wish you are always fine. Well class, welcome back again to our English home learning today. Today we are going to learn on chapter 3 with the title Let's Dance Kicir-Kicir. Okay class? Before we learn about this chapter, I would like to just give you remembering you. Have you got shower and also you have got breakfast? Well done, good if you have done it. Then, after this, please pay attention on the lesson. So you will know what a lesson, what a subject, and what is it is for you today. And here you are, the learning English today. Check it out and let's study now. Come on. Okay? Thank you. Welcome back again to our English learning today. And now we are going to learn the chapter 3 with the title Let's Dance Kicir-Kicir. Oke, anak-anak kelas 3, selamat datang kembali di home learning kita hari ini. Dan kali ini kita akan membahas di bab ketiga dengan judul Let's Dance Kicir-Kicir. Yuk kita menari kicir-kicir. Nah, di bab ini kita akan membahas tentang sebuah ajakan dan lagu kicir-kicir. Oke, for more information, let's start now for our learning. Let's go. The first discussing on page 22. A. Listening. Listen and repeat the sentences you hear from the teacher. Yang pertama atau yang A, listening, mendengarkan. Dengarkan dan ulangi kata-kata tersebut setelah kamu mendengarkan dari guru kalian. 1. Let's dance kicir-kicir. 2. Let's dance together. 3. Let's move to the left. 4. Let's move back and forward. 5. Let's move one step forward. 6. Let's shake our body. 7. Let's turn around. 8. Let's eat together. 9. Let's play together. 10. Let's study now. Well, students, anyone knows this one in Indonesia? Oke, anak-anak ada yang tahu bahasa Indonesianya? Wow, if you know that, so it means that's very good. Okay, let's discuss it to Indonesia. Let's dance kicir-kicir. Ya, let's dance kicir-kicir in Indonesia is ayo menari kicir-kicir. Let's dance together. Together bersama. Ayo menari bersama. Let's move to the left. Let's move, pindah atau geser. Ayo geser ke kiri. Let's move back and forward. Ayo geser atau pindah ke belakang dan ke depan. Let's move one step forward. Ayo geser atau pindah satu langkah ke depan. Let's shake our body. Ayo goyangkan badan kita. Let's turn around. Ayo muter-muter. Let's eat together. Ayo makan bersama. Let's play together. Ayo bermain bersama. Let's study now. Ayo belajar sekarang. Nah, this one we have discussed and you know in Indonesia about this translating. Well, class, that you know, after discussing about this in English and also in Indonesia, so you can practice it again at home with your sister or your brother. Okay, next continue for the next lesson. And now on page 23, let us try listen and repeat. Dengarkan dan ulangi. Okay, let's sweep the floor. In Indonesia is ayo sapu lantainya. Let's lift up your arms. Let us lift up your arm. Ayo angkat lenganmu. Let's pick up the trash on the yard. Let's pick up the trash on the yard. Ayo ambil, ayo pungut sampah-sampah di halaman. Let us watch the new movie. Ayo nonton film yang baru. Let us have drink. Let us have drink. Ayo kita minum. Well, student, have you known about this? Sudah paham? Sudah tahu? Okay, very good. Next, discussing. B. Speaking. On page 24. Speaking. Write using let's and say it. Tulis menggunakan let's dan ucapkan. What do you think? What do you think? Apa yang kamu pikirkan? Number 1. Look at the pictures. Lihat gambar. Oke, mereka sedang membersihkan kelas. So you will say, let's clean the classroom. Let's clean the classroom. Ajakannya adalah, ayo bersihkan ruangan kelas. What about this? Bagaimana dengan ini? Nah, ajakannya adalah, ayo kita menari. Atau ayo kita menari kicir-kicir. What is in English? Yes, very good. Let's dance kicir-kicir. Let's dance kicir-kicir. Next is number 3. Look at this picture. Lihat gambar. Okay, what are they doing? Apa yang sedang mereka lakukan? They are playing marbles. Nah. How do you say? Yes, that's right. Let's play marbles. Let's play marbles. Ayo kita bermain kelereng. Number 4. Nah, what are they doing? Mereka sedang berbaris. How do you say? Let's line up. Let's line up. Nah, artinya ayo berbaris. Okay, please you learn it again. Nah, kalian pelajarin lagi, so you will know more. Okay, student? Yes, good. Now, she reading. Oke, sekarang yang ke C, reading. Read carefully. Bacalah dengan hati-hati. The movement of kicir-kicir dance. Gerakan daripada tarian kicir-kicir. Oke, perhatikan ya anak-anak. We move to the right. We move to the right. Kita geser ke kanan. Berpindah ke kanan. We move to the left. Kita geser ke kiri. We turn around. Kita muter-muter. We move our hands back and forth. Oke, well, correctness, kebetulan. We move our hands back and forward. Nah, forwardnya nanti diganti forward. Kita gerakan tangan kita ke belakang dan ke depan. Nah, diganti ya, nanti forward. We lift our arms. Kita angkat lengan kita. We move back and forward. Kita geser ke belakang dan ke depan. Oke, you learn it again, belajar lagi, nanti kalian akan semakin paham ya anak-anak ya. Oke, after this we are going to continue for some duties for you, and here it is. Well, students, on page 26 about let us try this one for your first duties. Nah, ini tugas pertama kalian. Nah, nanti kalian buat kotak seperti ini boleh. Nah, this one match the sentences with its meanings. Nah, kalian nanti suruh memasangkan dengan artinya. Nah, kalian boleh dibuat tanda panah atau sebelahnya dikasih angka sesuai dengan yang ada di sebelah sini. Contohnya, number 1, let's dance kicir-kicir. Nah, in Indonesia is which one? Iya, yang F. Nah, berarti boleh tanda panah F atau F-nya di sebelahnya dikasih angka 1. Oke, student, you got it? Oke, if you got it, okay, very good. This is your first duties. And now we continue for the second duties, tugas kedua. Anak-anak, sebelum masuki tugas yang kedua, let's discuss about the writing. Kita membahas yang writing terlebih dahulu. Complete using let's. Nah, lengkapilah menggunakan kata let's. Pay attention, perhatikan. We like to eat some kerak telur. What do you think? Artinya, kami menyukai atau kami suka makan kerak telur. What do you think? Menurut kamu gimana? Apa pendapatmu? Nah, what do you think itu bisa menurut kamu gimana? Atau apa pendapatmu? Nah, this one menjadi let's eat some kerak telur. Let's eat some kerak telur. Mari kita makan kerak telur. Eat some kerak telur. Jadi nanti pahami, perhatikan. Nah, kira-kira this one. We like to cook an omelette. What do you think? We like to cook an omelette. Kami suka masak omelet. What do you think? Gimana menurut kalian? Ada di sini. Cook an omelette. Beat an egg and cook it. Nah, kira-kira kata yang let's yang tepat apa? Ya, let's cook an omelette. Oke, let's cook an omelette. Boleh tambahin lagi, let's beat an egg and cook it. Oke, this one. And the next is on page 27. We like to go to park. Kami suka pergi ke taman. What do you think? Gimana menurut kalian? Apa pendapat kalian? Nah, go to the park. So the correct answer here, jawaban yang tepat adalah yes, that's right. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Ayo pergi ke taman. What about this? Bagaimana dengan yang ini? We like to watch palang pintu show. We like to watch palang pintu show. What do you think? Kami suka menonton pertunjukan palang pintu. Bagaimana menurut kalian? Apa pendapat kalian? Nah, ada watch palang pintu show. Nah, so the should answer is, jawaban yang tepat adalah let's watch palang pintu show. Nah. Okay, student, do you got it? That we have discussed? Okay, thank you that you have understood. And now to the second duties for you. Dan sekarang tugas yang kedua buat kalian. Here it is, ini dia. For your second duties is matching, memasangkan atau choose the suitable answer. Pilih jawaban yang sesuai. This one nanti kalian, this is the answers, ini jawabannya, and this one the question. For example, the classroom is dirty. Ruangan tersebut kotor. What should you do? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan? You find out the answer. Cari jawabannya di sini. Oke, then you write here. Kemudian tulis di sini, tapi di buku kalian. Then one of our friends has slipped and fallen. Nah, salah satu teman kita terpleset dan jatuh. What should we do? Nah, kira-kira apa yang akan kita lakukan? You find out. Cari jawabannya ada di here. The bell is ringing. Bell berbunyi. Time for lesson. Waktunya untuk belajar. What should we do? Apa yang harus kita lakukan? You find out. The bell is ringing at the end of the lesson. Bell berbunyi pada saat akhir pelajaran. What should we do? Apa yang harus kita lakukan? You find out. Then, the teacher has already given homework. Guru telah memberikan PR. What should we do? Apa yang harus kita lakukan? You find out all the answer here. Nah, cari jawabannya ada di sini. Well, student, this one for learning today and also your duties. You have 2 duties. Nah, anak-anak kita yang pelajari hari ini, dan kalian punya 2 tugas, memasangkan dan juga ini memasangkan. You write down the questions and also the answer. Tulis soal dan jawabannya di buku kalian. Well, class, thank you for learning today. God bless you. Keep spirit always, and see you for the next meeting. Okay, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.